Hola bafethu, igama lami nguPhila, ngumrango wakaNgcobo, one of the organizers of the event esikuyona namhlanje. As you can see ama preparations ayo. This event is an event esiyenzile nje for umphakathi wala eMzumbe. If you can see la around, you can see ukuthi yonke into yala ayikho into eqhamuka ngaphandle. So sithi umnotho wala eMzumbe awuhlale la eMzumbe. We've made sure ukuthi ama local artists ayalithola ithubo nokuthi akwazi ukushare stage nama artists amakhulu.
Kumzumbe picnic bafethu angekho uphuthelwe. Next year siyafisa ukuthi iphinde ibuye le picnic imnandi.
Sanibonani guys, sike Mzumbe lana kune music picnic esibanini and futhi kumnandi ba welcome kamnandi. Siyafisa ukuthi siphinde sibuye. Hello. Happy New Year.
Igama lami nguMalusi kwaKambokazi. Namhlanje sila eMzumbe umhla ka-1 kuJanuary 2026 sizobungaza sizothi music uMzumbe music picnic. La sihleli khona sibungaza nabantu abahlukene nama-artists ahlukene ukuthi uzojatshula kuvulwa u-2026. Mafowethu siyabonga kakhulu to the sponsors of the event. Thank you so much for making this possible. This initiative ngibone namhlanje ihle kakhulu kugcwele njengoba nibona kugcwele kumnandi bafowethu. Please na next year let's do this again.
Kodwa kubalulekile nokukhulu kakhulu ukuthi abantu abangabufanzi ngesikhathi soKhisimusi nesikhathi soNew Year babe sey'ndaweni la bezohlala khona bahambe bagcine behamba ama-districts amade befuna ukujabula. Kuhle bazenzela into eduze kasemakhaya ukuze bagweme ukuhamba emadolobheni amakhulu.
Sanibona igama lami Simphiwe Mathonsi aka Sibuze Mabhukane zifuza indoda yakho lumlilo ngebhuku ungazuswa wenze njani. Well ngila ekhaya ke ngisekhaya ke this time. So sila kuMzumbe music festival. So yazini lento le ibaluleke kakhulu because now sizama ukuthi sivuse nabanye abantu abanamatalente akhona la eMzumbe la othuthwini alla ugu district wonke nje.